Hey there, welcome to Healthy Vibes Hub. Today, we're going to talk about how to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and it's essential to prioritize your health and well-being above all else. First things first, let's focus on our diet. Eating a balanced and nutritious diet is key to weight loss. Make sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your meals. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Now, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity is crucial for weight loss. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could include walking, jogging, swimming, or any other activity that gets your heart rate up. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process, and it's important to be patient and consistent. Don't expect to see results overnight. Stay committed to your goals, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Vibes Hub for more health and fitness tips. Stay healthy, stay strong.